Hello everyone. Yes, I know, it's been a year since I've last uploaded. 11 months, a year, same difference. Oops. I swear, this time I will definitely keep it up in a more constant upload schedule. I am just... my motivation hasn't been great lately, but I hope I can get back into it now. I'd say I will be able to. So, as we all know, a few weeks ago, the Apple event happened. Now, I ordered two things. AirPods Pro 2, which I will be keeping because my current AirPods Pro are in a crap state, and an Apple Watch, which you'll see which one now in a second when I unbox it. So let's get to the unboxing. Here it is. Let's pull tab. Oh wow, that's actually, oh, don't rip on me, please. Please open properly. Don't. Okay. No. I opened it upside down. Okay, so as you can see, it has the red lettering, which means I got the red watch, which means I got a Series 8 in the 45mm, and obviously with this red watch, it's the product red, which means for some reason you can only get the red band with it. Any of the red bands, they won't let you put any other band with it. If you want to get another band, you have to buy it separately, which I find kind of annoying and stupid, but anywho, it's the one I got. I'll be using it for the next week or so and seeing if I want to keep it. If not, I'll just return it. And I might buy the Ultra. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see about that. We'll see. The Ultra is €1,000 over here. So I probably won't buy it just because it's coming up to Christmas and presents and everything, and I need to save money. But we'll see. I don't know. If I get rich instantly somehow. Anyway, let's get back to unboxing. Oh, the red inside the box. That is actually looks so good. Oh my god. I love that. Oh, look at it. I love the color red. It's my favorite color. So that is just to me. Oh yeah, and they're in two separate boxes now. I keep forgetting that. The new watches, they come in two separate boxes with the band. Yeah, I got the regular band again because I didn't want the solo loop because the size would just be wrong. And I didn't want the other Nike sports band because I just didn't like the color of it much, to be honest. So I just went with the regular sports band again, but yeah, I have other bands anyways, so I can mix and match. Oh, this red color, I absolutely love it. Oh my god, I adore it. Okay, yeah. Okay, so I don't think I really need to unbox the band because, well, I have bands and you know what, fuck it. I'll just unbox the band. I was going to say, you already know what the bands look like, but okay, it's part of the watch, may as well open it. Yes, I'm leaving the watch to last. Yes, I am. Put yours on edge. So, just... oh, I love these peel strips for opening stuff. So satisfying. Okay. Why am I look really dumb right now. Oh, there we go. Oh my god. They go to the effort of making the watch red, so obviously it's going to be red on this. They go to the effort of making the inside of the box red, the text on the box red, but they make the text for the strap black. I don't understand that. Makes no sense. But here we goes. Here we goes. Oh, that's... There's the strap. It's a strap. What more can I say? It's not a really reddy red. It's actually a nice dulled down kind of red. It's not too in your face. And like my current red watch strap, which I only have half of, by the way. Yeah, it's actually quite a bit duller than that. But either way, I still like it. Actually, it's got quite a bit of... I was going to say it has a pinky hue to it, but it doesn't. Oh yeah, my current watch here, Series 4. With the... Ooh, I think this green would look really well with the red watch. I'm going to try that before the red band. No, I'm kidding. I'll do the red band first. Red band. Come on. Out you come. Out you come. And then that can go over there. Take that off it. When did they start doing that with the bands and why? So red band. Yay, a band. Now the watch itself. Okay, come on, open. Come on, why can't I grip it? That was so less satisfying than all the other strips I've just done. And it opens. Oh yeah, the watch used to pull it out. Now you open it like this. If it wants to. Come on. It won't open. It won't come out. It's not coming out. Come on. Oh, there we go. Oh my gosh. Apple make these boxes really tight. Oh my god, come on. It's going to be out of place by the time I get that out of the box. Why am I struggling to open this? Literally every other person on the internet can open this fine. Why am I... Ignore what I've just realized. Ignore that. And like I said, yeah, everything's out. So, ooh, oh, I love the pouch. Oh my god. Nice and red, like it's supposed to be. And oh my god, that red of this watch. That's gorgeous. Oh my god. That red. Oh, look at that red. I love it. Oh my god. Look at it. As someone who loves the color red, and with the black, it looks amazing. I wish Apple did the iPhone like this. Even if they just did the antenna red, like, oh my god, it would look amazing. The stainless steel antenna, if that was red with the back black and the screen's gonna be black anyway. Oh, I would buy that instantly. But yeah, this red looks amazing. And obviously, like, the product red, blah blah blah. Wait, hold on a second. Does the watch not come with Apple stickers? That's disappointing. Apple. Did the Apple Watch ever come with Apple stickers? I can't remember. And then of course the wire, I mean. The new one, this one is a fast charging, because they added that in the 6 or the 7. The 7 can fast charge, so obviously this one can. I have 2 of the older wires, so I'll probably still just use them anyways. So that's the unboxing. As usual, the unboxing boring. So yeah, let's put it on. I actually really love this red. I don't know, I want the Ultra, but oh my god, this red, it's really, oh, I'd love to have both. I just, this red, I just really love it. And with this green, it actually seems okay. Probably not the best color to put with it, but it seems okay. So yeah, that's the unboxing of the Apple Watch Series 8. And I will be back here with a weekend review of the watch in a week, obviously. So, bye, ciao tutti, see ya.